Hello everyone friends. On the channel today I will show you how to make an overlay in CapCut on a PC overlay in parentheses. Many show simply respectively, superimposition yes, well I'll show you how to make a beautiful overlay. To do this, upload some picture, put it on top of our posts. Well, put it as you need. And here it is, respectively. If you click on the image of the video basic, there is blend here. Click and use blend, which will help us make a picture more, say, will be better combined in the frame. That's why we choose, and here select the insertion setting we need. That is, you can choose like this, you can choose like this. It's just according to your needs with your image. You can choose overlay, that is, there will be an overlay. Well, we set the dependence on your needs. You can also set keyframes here, yes, which will also help you in this regard. That's all. While it was with you, like, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.